Good morning, grade 4. Today, inshallah, we'll have a new lesson. This lesson is patterns in measurement units. In the end of our lesson, we must know how can we use patterns to write number pairs for measurement units. The table at the right relates yards and feet. You can think of the numbers in the table as number pairs. 1 and 3, 2 and 6, 3 and 9, 4 and 12, and 5 and 50 are number pairs. The number pairs show the relationship between yard and feet. 1 yard is equal to 3 feet, 2 yards is equal to 6 feet, 3 yards is equal to 9 feet, and so on. Okay, unlock the problem. Lilian made the table below to relate 2 units of time. What units of time does the pattern in the table show? Here, we will use the relationship between the number pairs to label the columns of the table. Okay, here the table 1, then 7, 4, 2, sorry, then 14, 3, then 21, 4, then 28, 5, and 35. Okay, here who can tell me this is 1 and this is 7? What are the 2 units? We will use it here in this table. Yes, here we can write this is week and this is days. Week and days. Why? Because 1 week equals 7 days. Okay, so firstly we want to complete this. List the number pairs. List the number pairs. The number pairs will be 1 and 7, 2 and 14, 3 and 21, 4 and 28, 5 and 35. This is the first question. The second question, describe the relationship between the numbers in each pair. Okay, here we can write the second number is, or the second number in each pair is 7 times as great as the first number in each pair. Again, the second number is in each pair, the second number in each pair is 7 times as great as the first number in each pair. Okay. The third question, label the columns of the table. Here we said that we will write here in the first column it's week, then here it's days. Week and days. Okay. The second example, Jasper made the table below to relate to customary units of liquid volume. What customary units of liquid volume does the pattern in the table show? Okay, here this is 1 and this is 4. 2, 8, 3, 12, 4, 16, 5, 20. Firstly, we want to list the number pairs. The number pairs will be 1 and 4, 2 and 8, 3 and 12, 4 and 16, 5 and 20. The second question, describe the relationship between the number in each pair. Here we can write the second number in each pair is 4 times as great as the first number in each pair. Again, the second number in each pair is 4 times as great as the first number in each pair. Here, label the columns of the table. We can write that here, this is gallons and this is quarts. Gallons and quarts. Why? Because 1 gallon equals 4 quarts. Here we have another question. What other units could you have used to label the columns of the table above and explain? We can write here quarts and cups. Quarts and cups. Why? Because 1 quart is 4 times as much as 1 cup. Because 1 quart equal 4 cups. Okay. Share and show. The table shows a pattern for 2 units of time Label the columns of the table with the units of time. Okay, here this is 1 and this is 24. This is 2 and this is 48. 3 and 72, 4 and 96, 5 and 120. Okay, here, what can we write here? It's time. What unit of time is 24 times as great as another unit? Yes, here we can write day and here we can write hours. So it's relation between days and number of hours. So here we can write days and here hours. The second question in share and show, each table shows a pattern for two customary units labeled the columns of the table. Okay, this is 1 and this is 2. 2, 4, 3, 6, 4, 8, 5, and 10. Okay, here what can we write? We can write here this is quarts and here it's pints. Quarts and pints. Why? Because 1 quart equal 2 pints. Okay. Question number 3, it's 1, then 16, 2, 32, 3, 48, 4, 64, 5, and 80. What the relation between the two columns? Here we can write pounds, and here it's ounce. Pounds and ounces, okay? On your own, each table shows a pattern for two customary units. Label the columns of the table. This is 1 and this is 36, 2, 72, 3 and 108, 4 and 144, 5 and 180. What the relation between the two columns? Yes, we can write here that this is yards and this is inches. Why? Because 1 yard equal 36 inches. Again, 1 yard equal 36 inches. So we can write here yards and here it's inches. Okay, question number 5, 1, 12, 2, 24, 3, 20, 36, 4, 48, 5, and 6. We can write here years, and here it's months. Years and months. Okay? Question number 6. Each table shows a pattern for two metric units of length. Label the columns of the table. Okay. Question number 6. This is 1 and this is 10. 2, 20, 3, 30, 4, 40, 5, 50. We can write here, this is centimeters and this is millimeters. Centimeters and millimeters. Why? Because 1 centimeter equal 10 millimeters. Here, 1, 100, 2, 200, 3, 300, 4, 400, 5, 500. We can write here that this is meter and this is centimeter. Again, this is meter and this is centimeter. Question number 8, list the number pairs for the table in exercise 6 and describe the relationship between the numbers in each pair. We can write that it's in example 6. Here this is 1 and 10, 2 and 20, 3 and 30, 4 and 40, 5 and 50. Okay, the description will be the second number in each pair is 10 times as great as the first number in each pair. Okay, in the end of our lesson, I hope that you understand. And if you have any questions, send it to me. Good luck.